Alright. Yeah, that was Diego Ducey #1. This is an update to Harvey, which produced heavy rainfall. Now, look at this. We have rain now.
Devastating main stem river flooding is possible east of Interstate 35 and south of Interstate 10. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. A tropical storm warning remains in effect for the following counties: Atascosa, Bastrop, Bexar, Caldwell, Comau, Fayette, Gonzales, Guadalupe, Hayes, Lavaca, and Wilson. This is NOAA Weather Radio, Station WXK-27 in Austin, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.400 MHz, originating from the Austin-San Antonio National Weather Service Forecast Office. The current time is 3:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a flood advisory for Guadalupe County, Travis County, Karnes County, Lavaca County, Wilson County, Williamson County, Caldwell County, Hayes County, DeWitt County, Bastrop County, Gonzales County, Lee County, Fayette County, Bexar County, Comau County, until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Saturday at 9:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Total rainfall accumulations associated with Harvey thus far currently range from 1 inch to as much as 7 inches across the advisory area. Rainfall will continue for the remainder of the morning and through the afternoon hours. Accumulations of 1 to 2 inches per hour are possible within some of the heavier rain bands. A few road closings at low water crossings have already been reported across the advisory area. Some locations that may experience flooding include San Antonio, Austin, Round Rock, New Braunfels, San Marcos, Cedar Park, Georgetown, Pflugerville, Schertz, Kyle, Seguin, Cibolo, Universal City, Taylor, Live Oak, Lockhart, Buda, Elgin, Selma, and Gonzales. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Your local forecast. Wind advisory in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. Flash flood watch in effect through Tuesday evening. Rest of today, tropical storm conditions possible. Showers and thunderstorms. Locally heavy rainfall possible. Near steady temperature in the upper 70s. Northeast winds 25 to 30 miles per hour with gusts to around 40 miles per hour. Chance of rain 100%. Tonight, tropical storm conditions possible. Showers and thunderstorms. Locally heavy rainfall possible. Lows in the lower 70s. Northeast winds 25 to 30 miles per hour with gusts to around 40 miles per hour. Chance of rain 100%. Sunday, tropical storm conditions possible. Showers and thunderstorms. Locally heavy rainfall possible. Highs in the upper 70s. Northeast winds 25 to 30 miles per hour decreasing to 15 to 20 miles per hour in the afternoon. Chance of rain 90%. Sunday night, cloudy with showers and thunderstorms likely. Lows around 70. Northeast winds 15 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%. Monday, cloudy with showers and thunderstorms likely. Highs in the lower 80s. Northeast winds 15 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of rain 60%. Monday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 70s. Tuesday, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-80s. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 70s. Wednesday, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-80s. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy before midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. A 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 70s. Thursday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. A 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 80s. Thursday night, partly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows around 70. Friday, partly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs around 90. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for South Central Texas. For today and tonight. Hurricane Harvey will continue to slowly move into southeastern portions of South Central Texas later this morning, where it is currently predicted to stall. Harvey will continue to weaken over land and fall below hurricane force later today as it moves into Dunwoody County. However, widespread heavy rainfall capable of producing river and flash flooding will occur well to the north and east of Harvey. This is just the beginning of a life-threatening and catastrophic heavy rainfall event expected east of Interstate 35 and Interstate 37 that may continue into the middle of next week. A hurricane warning is in effect for 70 to 80 miles per hour winds across Karnes and Dunwoody counties. A tropical storm warning is in effect for winds of 35 to 50 miles per hour across Atascosa, Bastrop, Bexar, Caldwell, Fayette, Gonzales, Guadalupe, Lavaca, and Wilson counties. A wind advisory is in effect for Bandera, Blanco, Frio, Kendall, Lee, Medina, Travis, and Williamson counties for winds of 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts to 40 miles per hour in the stronger rain bands. A flash flood watch is in effect through Tuesday evening for counties along and east of a line from Georgetown to Comfort to Jourdanton. There is a low risk of brief tornadoes east of Interstate 35 and Interstate 37 today. A tornado watch is currently in effect for Fayette, Lavaca, and Lee counties until 1 p.m. Saturday. And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday through Friday. Hurricane Harvey will stall or move very slowly over eastern parts of south central Texas before sliding back south towards the Gulf Coast on Sunday into early next week. A flash flood watch is in effect through Tuesday evening for counties along and east of a line from Georgetown to Comfort to Jourdanton. Life-threatening and catastrophic river and flash flooding appears imminent for much of south central Texas, specifically for areas along and east of the Interstate 35 and Interstate 37 corridors. Storm total rainfall amounts through Tuesday of 10 to 20 inches are expected east of Interstate 35 and Interstate 37, with isolated totals in excess of 30 inches possible. Devastating river flooding lasting throughout next week is likely east of Interstate 35 and Interstate 37 in the Colorado, Guadalupe, and San Antonio River basins. There are large uncertainties in event rainfall totals for the Interstate 35 corridor and across the eastern hill country, including the cities of Austin and San Antonio. Our current forecast range of 5 to 15 inches with higher totals possible over these areas accounts for this uncertainty, with the upper end of this estimate likely be farther north towards Austin. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will be encouraged over the next several days as Harvey evolves. The coastal waters forecast for Baffin Bay to Port Aransas out 20 nautical miles. Tropical storm warning in effect. Rest of today, tropical storm conditions. Southwest wind 30 to 35 knots decreasing to 25 to 30 knots in the afternoon. Gusts up to 45 knots. Seas 12 to 13 feet with occasional seas up to 17 feet. Showers and thunderstorms. Tonight, tropical storm conditions possible. Southwest wind 20 to 25 knots with gusts to around 35 knots. Seas 9 feet with occasional seas up to 11 feet, subsiding to 7 feet with occasional seas up to 9 feet after midnight. Showers and thunderstorms. Sunday, tropical storm conditions possible. Southwest wind 20 to 25 knots with gusts to around 35 knots, decreasing to 15 to 20 knots in the afternoon. Seas 6 to 7 feet with occasional seas up to 9 feet. Showers and thunderstorms likely. Sunday night, southwest wind 15 to 20 knots. Seas 5 feet with occasional seas up to 6 feet. Showers and thunderstorms likely. Monday, southwest wind 15 to 20 knots becoming west 20 to 25 knots in the afternoon. Seas 5 to 6 feet with occasional seas up to 8 feet. Showers and thunderstorms. Monday night, northwest wind 15 to 20 knots. Seas 7 feet with occasional seas up to 9 feet. Showers and thunderstorms likely. Tuesday, west wind 15 to 20 knots increasing to 20 to 25 knots with gusts to around 35 knots in the afternoon. Seas 7 feet with occasional seas up to 9 feet. Showers likely. Tuesday night, west wind 20 to 25 knots with gusts to around 35 knots. Seas 7 feet with occasional seas up to 9 feet. Showers likely. Wednesday, west wind 20 to 25 knots becoming southwest 15 to 20 knots in the afternoon. Seas 5 feet with occasional seas up to 6 feet. A chance of showers. Wednesday night, southwest wind 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet with occasional seas up to 5 feet. A chance of showers. Wind advisory for the following counties: Blanco, Lee, Travis, and Williamson. Wind advisory remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. Timing through 10 p.m. Winds: sustained winds of 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts to 40 miles per hour. Impacts: driving high-profile vehicles will be difficult through the day. Large tree limbs could fall and cause damage. A wind advisory means that winds of 26 to 39 miles per hour are expected. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Hurricane Harvey expected to bring a life-threatening and catastrophic heavy rainfall event east of Interstate 35 and Interstate 37. New information. Changes to watches and warnings. The hurricane warning has been canceled and a tropical storm warning has been issued for DeWitt and Carnes. Current watches and warnings. A tropical storm warning is in effect for Atascosa, Bastrop, Bexar, Caldwell, Comau, DeWitt, Fayette, Gonzales, Guadalupe, Hayes, Carnes, Lavaca, and Wilson counties. Storm information. About 80 miles south of Austin, Texas, or about 20 miles west of Cuero, Texas. Coordinates 29.1 north, 97.6 west. Storm intensity 70 miles per hour. Movement north and northwest, or 340 degrees at 2 miles per hour. Situation overview. The center of Harvey has moved into DeWitt County, and it has weakened to tropical storm strength. The forward motion remains slow. Confidence remains high in a life-threatening, catastrophic rainfall event taking place across much of south-central Texas along and east of Interstate 35 and 37. Only minor changes have been made to the rainfall forecast with this update. A range of 5 to 15 inches is possible along the Interstate 35 corridor due to the large drop-off in rainfall amounts on the west side of Harvey. The upper end of that estimate will likely be farther north, including the city of Austin. East of the Interstate 35 corridor, we are still anticipating 10 to 20 inches with isolated 30-inch amounts in some locations. Next update. The next local statement will be issued by the National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio, Texas around 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or sooner if conditions warrant. The flash flood watch continues for a portion of south-central Texas, including the following areas: Atascosa, Bastrop, Bexar, Blanco, Caldwell, Comau, DeWitt, Fayette, Gonzales, Guadalupe, Hayes, Carnes, Kendall, Lavaca, Lee, Travis, Williamson, and Wilson. Through Tuesday evening, copious amounts of rain are expected to continue and will last